Hello. Hi. Today we are going to see most important topic like take for example, we have a list. Okay. So this is the list we have. Okay. So in this case, what we have is we have a duplicate element which is inserted, right? So what actually we need is we need only all these types of names in an uppercase. So this is what we are going to create as of now. Okay, so for this, what we are going to do is take for example. So with the help of set, we can be able to solve this. Like we can be able to remove the duplicate values as well from the list. Okay, so what the output that we need is take for example all these names should be in the uppercase. So this is what we need to take into consideration: Z Z Z, V, and these values like x should be there, but as it is duplicated, we are going to neglect one and only we will be having unique names only. Okay, so this is what is the output that we were actually expecting. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Oh, let's implement the code for this new Java project. Employee count. Okay, so duplicates removed, right? So this is what we are going to create. Click on next, click on source, click on finish. Okay, so we have it over here. For source, I'm going to create a package. Package name is com, create it, finish it. We have com here, new, and we are going to create a class. We know like we will be creating a main class with main method, finish. And we are going to create one more class, which is an employee class, complete. Okay, so we have an employee class over here. Yeah, so within main method, take for example, we will be having the stream of outputs that we will be taking now. So that what we will be taking, so basically we will be taking ID. Okay, so ID is the first attribute, sorry, name will be the first attribute, and then ID, department, and we are going to take their salary. Okay, so these are all some of the names that we are going to take. Okay, so let's write this. Okay, within the employee class. So private string name, okay, private int ID, private string department, and private int or long. Okay, anything. Okay, salary. We can take like that. Oh, over here we have declared it. Let's create a okay, let's just come to a conclusion first. So we are going to create a constructor, and then we are going to create getter setters, and then we are going to use hash code and equals method as well over here. Okay, so along with hash codes and equal, what we are going to use is toString method. Okay, for returning as a string. So this is what we will be using. Okay, let's create a constructor first. Source, generate constructor using fields, all fields generate. Okay, we have it. And we are going to create getters and setters. Source, generate getters and setters for all these attributes, just generate. We have it. Okay, then source, hash code and equals for all these. Yeah, we have it. And then we are going to source toString for all these methods, just generate. Okay, so we all have all these types of things. Go to main method. We have list, right? So first thing, we have created an employee, right? So we have to write it. So list of employee. Okay, employee. What is it actually? It is a list. Is equal to new array list. Okay, of employee. This is what we are going to create firstly. And what we are going to do is, okay, that should be actually initialized. That's why it's showing like that. Import java.util. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, we got everything better as of now. Then what we are going to do is we are going to uh, okay, so the major problem with list is if we have a list, what will happen is we will be having only the duplicate elements cannot be actually added over there. So that's the major issue over we will be having. Um, let's check this. Okay, so let's first change into set of employee list is equal to new hash set. Okay, so let's change it and check what happens. Uh, okay, so list dot add, sorry, list dot stream dot, then what we need to do, like we need to get names, right? So filter, okay, extends to, so which is an anonymous function that I'm going to create. Okay, so set, set simply, okay, let me tell you something. We are going to just print and see what happens, and then let's check what happens. Okay, list dot, okay, for each of system println. Okay, so that's it. We can be able to do as of now. Let's check if the unique elements is there or not. Yeah. So simply without anything, when we use a hash set directly, we can be able to have only the unique elements. Okay. So so as of now, our output should not be this. So this is one of the way that we can be able to have only the unique elements. Let it be. Okay. So, and this also, with the help of set we have created, let's create it as a normal list. Okay. So list of employee list is equal to new array list. Okay. So this is what we are going to create, employee. Okay. So over here, what we are going to do is list dot stream dot, okay. So what we are going to do is map with respect to x tends to x dot, okay. So get, what we need to get only the names. So with respect to unique names, and the only thing is we need to convert it into uppercase, right? Dot to upper. So just click on this. That's it. Okay. Dot distinct. Yes, because we are going to take only a distinct value. And apart from that, use for each. Just print all those values. System dot out dot println. Okay. Run as Java application. Yeah, we have all the output over here. That's it.